In this video, we're going to see the ls command. We use it to list directory contents, and by default, it sorts entries alphabetically unless you specify another sorting option. Here we see the ls syntax. Items in square brackets are optional, and file can be either files or directories. Also, the 3 dots mean that we can repeat the preceding item, in our case, options or files. We will go through several options here, but first let's list the contents with no options in order to notice the differences. But first, let's change our current working directory to dir1. As we see here, the command printed all the contents of the current working directory in one row. As I mentioned earlier, without sorting options, the default sorting is alphabetically. The L option prints the entries in a long listing format as we see here. Along with the file name, this format displays additional information such as permissions, owner details, size, and the modification timestamp. If we use the A option, the command prints also files that start with a dot, which called hidden files. We can see just one file here, and it's called .hiddenfile. By using the D option with a directory as an argument, we can see only the directory name and not their contents. This option is mainly useful when we want info just for the directory. When paired with the L option, it provides the long listing format we saw earlier. The H option combined with the L options prints the size of each file in kilobytes, megabytes, etc. When we combine the R option with the L option, it reverses the sorting order. In our case here, it reverses the alphabetical sorting order. The T option sorts by modification time, newly first. So if we combine with the L and R options, we can see at the bottom which file has been edited last. Basically, we use these two options together for convenience, because with many files, the top rows might scroll out of view in the terminal. We can also list the contents of 2 or more directories by typing multiple directory names separated with spaces. In our case, we can see that subdir1 contains one file, while subdir2 contains none. There are a lot of options you can use with the ls command. You can discover more on the man pages by typing man ls. Feel free to play, but remember, play safe by testing on a lab or test environment. The L option is commonly used by users so they can have a better view of the contents. Instead of typing ls-l, you can use ll, which is the ls with the L option combined. This is not a separate command, but a shell alias, and you can find it by listing the aliases and filtering by the name ll. Got any favorite command? Drop it in the comments. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.